Welcome back to Beautyistic. We all know how fragile lashes and brows can be, especially after years of overplucking or constant lash extensions. It's frustrating when our lashes just don't seem to have the volume or health they once did. But what if there was a way to reverse that damage? Enter my Instant Effects Lash and Brow Volumiser. This product promises to restore and hydrate, leaving you with thicker, stronger, and healthier lashes. Today, we're going to break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you won't miss any of our honest reviews on Beautyistic. Let's start with a quick rundown of the product. The Lash and Brow Volumiser comes in a compact 0.23 oz bottle, but don't let its size fool you. It's packed with a powerful formula. It uses a patented OX2 Oxygen Transfer Technology designed to infuse both your lashes and brows with much-needed oxygen. This helps to thicken and strengthen the hair, potentially reversing the damage caused by overplucking or the harsh treatments from lash extensions. On top of that, it's got a clear, gentle formula that's designed to be hydrating and conditioning, even for the most sensitive eyes. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free, which adds a nice ethical touch. Plus, it works as a primer for mascara, meaning it could take your lash game to a whole new level. So is this as good as it sounds? Let's get into my experience using it. I've been incorporating this Lash and Brow Volumiser into my daily routine for a couple of weeks now. I apply it at night as part of my evening skincare routine just before I head to bed. The first thing I noticed is how lightweight and non-greasy it feels. It's absorbed quickly, and there's no sticky residue left behind, which is always a bonus. I've been using it on both my lashes and eyebrows, and I can honestly say it's been an easy addition to my routine. The real test came when I noticed how my lashes felt the next morning. They were noticeably softer and seemed to have a little more volume. I've been using it consistently, and over time, my lashes feel stronger. No more brittleness, which was a huge concern for me after years of lash extensions. My brows also appear fuller, which is something I've been working on for a while now. Let's talk about the pros and cons. First off, the pros. The formula is gentle, so I didn't experience any irritation or redness, even though I have sensitive eyes. It hydrates and nourishes without feeling heavy or sticky, and my lashes definitely seem stronger and healthier after just a few weeks of use. Plus, it works really well as a primer for mascara, making my lashes look even more voluminous. Now the cons. The 0.23 oz size is quite small, and while a little goes a long way, I do wish there was a bigger option for those who want to use it long term. Also, while I've noticed results in terms of conditioning, the thickening effects are more gradual. If you're expecting overnight miracles, this might not be the instant solution you're hoping for. So, does this Lash and Brow Volumiser provide good value for the price? At first glance, the price tag might seem a little steep for the size. However, given the high-quality ingredients, the vegan and cruelty-free formulation, and the positive effects it has on both lashes and brows, I do think it's worth the investment, especially if you're someone who frequently uses lash extensions or struggles with thinning brows. If you're considering alternatives, there are other conditioning products out there, but I've found that many of them don't offer the same level of hydration or the oxygen technology that this one does. There are a few budget-friendly serums that provide similar results, but they don't have the added bonus of being a primer for mascara, which is a game changer for me. Now, let's talk about build quality. The packaging is sleek, simple, and functional, which I appreciate. I love that it's made with recyclable materials, so I can feel good about it from an environmental standpoint. In terms of longevity, the product seems to last a good while, especially since a little goes a long way. I've been using it nightly, and I'm still not even halfway through the bottle. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had to contact the brand yet, but my Instant Effect is known for its responsive customer service and commitment to customer satisfaction. If you ever have an issue, it seems like they're pretty quick to resolve it. To wrap things up, I'd say this product is great for anyone who's looking to revitalize their lashes and brows. Whether you're a lash extension wearer, someone who's overplucked, or just in need of some hydration, this volumizer could really make a difference. It's definitely not an overnight fix, but it delivers gradual, noticeable results. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.